In our previous episode, we started our shakedown sail with Ella, and after some extra stops in Villamor and Cadiz, we made our way to Gibraltar. We arrived just in time to witness the infamous Levante winds form on the other side of the Gibraltar rock and wreak havoc in the marina. Getting out of the boats to the dock was a true adventure due to the excessive movement caused by the winds, making the boats squeeze each other on the space-limited med mooring style. Besides the uncomfortable times we had inside the Dream, with all the rocking and jolting, the situation caused a lot of stress, since the boats dangerously came close of crashing into each other despite everyone's efforts on securing them tightly. We all watched the protection fenders get squeezed almost to their limit, but in the end none popped and there were no damages to be reported. Just as they arrived, the Levante winds left, leaving us busy with our program for the month, installing several different upgrades to the Dream, like a water maker, a wind vane, etc. All done, of course, under the tight supervision of Ella. These jobs occupied most of our time and the trips to the Chandlery were regular, but finally we had all we planned completed and now we could enjoy the city. We finished right on time to celebrate Gibraltar National Day. The day of the celebration was quite interesting. All the boats at the marina dressed up with the Gibraltar and the UK flag, and everyone wore the city colours, white and red. We did the same and decided to go check what the party was all about.
So our neighbours can hear us nice and loudly. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Everywhere we looked, people were dressed in the city colours or wearing the UK flag. Lots of people on the streets and lots of fun activities for the locals to have fun with.
So cute! It's really cute. He won first place, right?
We saw people of all ages enjoying the day in a very nice united community. People dressing with a lot of care and style, and others with a lot of fun and creativity. One thing is sure, the Gibraltarians were committed to have a great day. The day ended with fireworks, and we had a great spot to watch it from, the bow of our yacht. The following day we decided to go for a long walk and visit the upper rock to see the famous monkeys. We took the cable car and enjoyed the views over the Bay of Gibraltar while ascending. The views at the top were breathtaking, the bay, Spain, and also the Mediterranean Sea. As we started making our way down from the top, we found the first monkeys enjoying breakfast and ignoring the humans. We truly enjoyed our walk. We got a bit lost, found ourselves again, saw a few more monkeys, and the most funny road signs ever. Our time in Gibraltar was up. We were ready for a new adventure. We were heading to Morocco.
How do you feel like?
All the nervousness is gone now. I can relax. It'd be much nicer if the motor wasn't playing it too much.
Are you sure? I'm at the helm. You do know what that means, right?
It means you're in control.
It means something's gonna happen.
No, don't say that. Dougie the Diesel is going to look after us.
Uh-huh.